Hi, my name is Steven. I'm the founder of Bloom, which is the geolocation platform for local news. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create an interactive news map just like the one you see here. A few things you'll notice is that this isn't your average Google map. The content you see here was automatically added to the map when it was initially published. Publishers on Bloom can geotag all types of local content, and then Bloom's tools simply organize the content into a playful user interface for reading. Now, to create an interactive map like this on Bloom, you can either be a publisher or a host. And the difference is that publishers can geotag this content, just like you see here with the Brooklyn Reader. And a host can't geotag content, but they can create the plugins and share this content with their audience. So let's get started on how to create one of these. And if you're not signed up as a publisher or a host yet, you can do that very easily, and it'll be helpful because you can follow along this tutorial. Once you log in, you can go to your account, go to the publishers page, and select a publisher. Then on the left-hand side here, you'll see a list of plugins, and we're going to create an interactive news map. Let's go ahead and click Create Map button. And this will lead you to the map builder page. On the left-hand side here is where we're going to be entering the preferences for the map. And once we click Save, we'll see the preview of the map here on the right-hand side. The first step is choosing a title, which will display in the header of the map. It should explain what the map is about. For this tutorial, let's create a map of recent news happening in Washington, D.C. The next step has options for the map's location, and if we choose to enable this location from URL field, it will automatically use a location of a news article that you've already geotagged. But for this example, let's disable this because we want to type in our own location. Let's use a popular DC location, the White House. The radius option lets us select the area around the location where the map will look for stories to display, and this is essentially like geofencing. In the date section, you can select a date range from the past, or if you want to create a map with the most recent news from the current date, you can use this field. This is kind of like creating a live news map. And we're going to select 45 here, and this means that the map will show content from the past 45 days from when the user opened the map. So the user can open this today or tomorrow or next month, and no matter what, they'll always see content that was published in the last 45 days. And these are the primary settings, and there's an advanced section here, but we won't worry about that right now. Let's go ahead and click Save. And there we have it. We have a Washington, D.C. local news map. Now this is pulling every article that we've published in the past 45 days around the White House. But let's say that we only want to show stories about some topic. For example, recently in DC there have been a number of hate crimes involving nooses. So let's specify a keyword which will filter down the articles and give us some topic-based local map. In the advanced section here, you can specify a keyword. We're going to update the title as well and click Save. Now the map has been updated and it's filtered to only show stories involving the keyword or the topic that we specified. Now this is very helpful if you have a topic or a series of stories where you want to show your readers exactly where these stories took place. To share this map, you can copy the embed code here and paste it on your website or Facebook page. If you simply want to share the map link, you can click Share Map up here and copy the link, which you can share in an email or on social media. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, I'll leave a link of Bloom's website and my email in the description. Thanks.